Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum salam.
So, Sheikh, I have clear white discharge or slightly yellow when I'm pure, but with the discharge comes very tiny particles, about 4 or 5 when I wipe with a tissue. They are black or brown in color.
You
They are very...
asked me this on the website, right?
No.
Okay. So again, to answer your question, because this is a frequently asked question. After the menses is over, when you wipe, you have to see the white thread-like discharge on the tissue paper, not accompanied by yellowish or brownish discharge. It has to be pure. These particles that you're talking about, if they are from your skin, you know, when I rub my palm or my elbow from the top between my arm and my biceps, I get threads, brownish or black threads. This is sweat, this is grease, call it whatever you want. If when you're wiping you get the same from your skin, this has nothing to do with your purity. But if it's coming from inside, then this means that you're not pure yet. So it's not the white vaginal discharge that is a sign of your purity. It's the white thread discharge that looks like a white thread. Or if you insert a tampon and it comes out clean, no colored discharge, then this is your sign of purity.